Hello,
Hey,
you look like you're making a big decision. What's on your mind?
well, I've just finished school, so it's time to decide what to do with my future.
You got any leads?
Yes, maybe actually no. There are so many options out there, I don't know what to pick.
What if I told you that there is a career that delivers financial security, international opportunities, prestige, and excitement?
Wow, I'm listening.
I'm talking about design.
Design? I never thought about that. I thought it was more of a hobby or a secondary job.
You couldn't be more wrong. Design is one of today's most powerful, high income generating full time careers.
I had no idea. This sounds exciting.
It is exciting, isn't it? Let's take what's on your hand, for example, your mobile phone. Do you know that a product designer designed that? And those jeans you're wearing were designed by a fashion designer. And that beautiful shop there was designed by an interior designer. See, with more and more businesses coming up, the competition is really high. And so businesses have to figure out ways to deliver something extra to win their consumers. And this is where design comes in. So whether it's to design a logo, an advertising campaign, the office space, the staff uniform, every business employs designers to help them. So designers are highly sought after all over the world. And even beginners have the opportunity to earn high incomes and gain an international exposure.
Sounds like everybody needs design. I heard you say prestige as well?
Absolutely. Design careers gives you many chances not only to climb up the ladder to become design managers, design directors and chief designers, but also the chance to become the CEO of your own design business. So yes, prestige goes hand in hand with design careers.
You've got my attention. Tell me more. Is design just fashion?
Design has many exciting sectors that you can step into. There is fashion, but there is also graphic design, interior design, motion graphics and animation design, product design, and much, much more. And these sectors feed into pretty much every industry out there. So designers are in fact demanded by almost every business.
I'm sold. How do I become a designer? I'm not really great at drawing.
Well, what you need to understand is that design is not only about drawing, nor is it art. Design is about thinking creatively to find solutions, and this can be taught. That is why it is so important that you join the right university with the right degree.
It sounds like you know what you're talking about. Tell me, who are you?
We are AOD, an international design campus set in Colombo. We are the design campus that offers one of Europe's top 5 design qualifications in Sri Lanka.
So, what do I get by studying with you?
We are the only design campus in South Asia to offer design education from Northumbria University, UK, which is recognized among Europe's top 5 design academia. At AOD, you will have the opportunity to graduate with Northumbria's award-winning design degree right here in Sri Lanka.
So, basically, I'm studying in Sri Lanka to get a complete UK design degree.
Yes, you will be following Northumbria's design degree in an identical manner to the UK, and you will receive the identical certification upon completion. So once you graduate with us here in Sri Lanka, you will be listed among Northumbria's prestigious alumni in the UK. Among them are Sir Jonathan Ives, Design Chief of Apple, Warren Trevance of Pixar, Tim Brown of IDEO, Nicola Morgan of Givenchy. So you'll be joining a membership of some of the world's top designers.
Wow, does this mean I can work anywhere in the world?
Yes, you can. You'll be a recognized global design citizen with a degree accepted all over the world. What's more, you save up to 70% of your travel, lodging and living expenses by completing your design degree right here in Sri Lanka.
That's amazing. How do I start?
Well, it depends on your qualifications. If you only have your O-levels, you can first join our 12-month design foundation program. But if you already have your A-levels, which we recommend, you can join our 40-month degree program straight away. There's fashion, there's interior design, graphic design, fashion marketing, product design, or motion graphics and animation design.
Tell me about fashion.
Fashion is a powerful industry that fuels Sri Lanka's biggest export sector, the apparel industry. With fashion, you can join awesome companies like MAS or Brandix, or even start your own fashion label and earn your name on the catwalks like Buddhi Batiks, or international brands like Calvin Klein or Dolce & Gabbana.
What about fashion marketing?
Fashion marketing? Well, that's a new sector that helps to promote the huge apparel industry or glamorous brands to their clients. So you'll be learning how to convince people to buy different fashion, includes marketing, advertising, design, and much more.
Wow. Then what is graphic design?
Graphics is about communicating with visuals. It's a powerful industry that feeds into advertising, book design, branding, corporate identity, and even packaging design. If you have the ability to think creatively and attention to detail, this is the degree for you.
That's great. Tell me about interior design.
Interior design is a science of creating great spaces to live in. From all the top brands, boutiques, hotels, to events need the services of interior designers. If you like to arrange spaces and study in details about lighting, materials, and colors, this is the degree for you.
How about motion graphics and animation? Sounds complicated.
Not at all. This program teaches you from A to Z about how to tell a story with moving animated visuals. If you want to work in movies, TV, and promotions and can think of great stories, we'll teach you every bit of it from the drawing board to the computer.
What great choices! How are these degrees identically conducted in Sri Lanka?
Well, we have 100% international permanent faculty from many parts of the world, from the UK, Canada, the US, Italy, etc. Furthermore, we arrange study tours for our students to see design capitals of the world, such as London and Paris and New York. So you get a real true experience of an international design degree.
Wow, New York? So, what about after I graduate? What support can I expect from AOD?
Quite a lot actually. AOD boasts the most comprehensive support infrastructure for our graduates. If you want to work in the industry, our fantastic industry links will make sure that you get the right job after you graduate. If you want to start your own business, we've got that covered too with our Center for Creative Enterprise program. That not only gives you advice, but also finds you funding for your startup dream business. In fact, we have a 100% employability record.
How do I get in touch with AOD?
Easy. You can call our hotline 0775 980 141 or find us online on www.aod.lk or facebook.com/AOD Sri Lanka, or simply just drop in at our campus at 29 Lorries Road, Colombo 4 anytime between 9 and 5 on weekdays, and we'll be happy to meet with you.